Hey everybody, I'm Yvonne with Back to Earth Creations, and we're gonna open up February's Potomac bead box. Let's see what's in here. So it is literally first thing for me today, so my voice is still waking up and I'm still getting my first cup of coffee into me. So cheers everybody, thank you for joining me here. Ooh. And this says, Everlasting Embrace Treasure Box. Ooh, I love Valentine's Day, y'all. Mostly because it's like just the Twitter-pated vibes of like the birds hollering in my front yard and my garden starting to come back to life after that deep freeze that we had. And I'm so excited for the new gardening season. And so, a captivating and versatile collection that harmoniously blends in the enchanting colors of love, adoration, and tenderness. This bundle embodies the spirit of blossoming romance with check glass and tulips, hearts, and the delicate contour of storm duos. What's a storm duo? Oh, I guess we'll find out. The palette includes elements of passionate red to delicate pink, dreamy violet, and regal purple. To excite your inner creativity and find more beading happiness, visit potomacbeads.com/ideas. Now, I'm not hating at all, but I do wonder if this was written by an AI. Either way, I mean, I love it. It's just, oh my gosh. Okay, so, I'm going to go ahead and start. Look at these 6mm. Now, these are glass. And I'm going to do the checking off, like, when we're not on camera. That way we can kind of... Ooh, look at these sparkly guys. So there's those. Do not eat. Ooh, these must be those. Are these the quad bow? Okay, so what was it that it said? Storm duos. I'm interested in finding out what that is. Let's look at these, though. Quad bow beads. I dropped it. There we go. Now that's a pretty color. A nice, like, mauve. I love that kind of shine to it, but it looks like it has 4 little holes through it. I'm picturing this immediately as ends to like a swag necklace. So, and I'm going to be honest with you guys, pink is not my color. It blends in with the red tones of my skin. Like I love looking at pink. I love working with pink. I don't wear it a whole lot. And therefore, I have a tendency to not buy a lot of beads in pink because I only think of myself. But that is a big reason of why I do enjoy these kits, is because it gets beads into my hands and into my booth inventory and website inventory that I might have otherwise not purchased on my own. But it gives me a much broader, palette. And these are simple ball 20 by 10.5 21 gauge ear wires. I wonder what material they're made out of. And then, are these what I think they are? Wire guard protectors. Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm so excited about this. Okay, so the only other wire guard protectors I've ever used, I got from like Amazon. And they're sharp and bulky. But these are so cool. So they have a tiny little, let's see if we can zoom in here. I want to see if I can grab my little tweezers. Just so my hands aren't in the way. So if you can see there, no, it's a little horseshoe that has a little groove in it that your wire would sit in. And then it has these 2 bead holes kind of at the ends that your wire would come up through here and come around and then come back down, and that's where we would do like our crimping. And I am so excited to get my hands on these. Ooh, it's hard to do this looking through the cell phone camera. Anyways, I think you get the idea. But I mean, a whole pack of them, this will make a bunch. Pack of 50, so that's 25 necklaces, y'all. That's really cool. Like, I'm excited about that. Oh, and then we have some bales. Pure silver plating. Oh my goodness. Look at those. Oh, those are beautiful. So shiny. Okay, so putting those back in. And now we have some purple crazy lace agate round beads. Oh, those are pretty. Now, I do plan on making a bunch of earrings out of most of these. Earrings and necklaces are what I tend to like to make, or bracelets, or rings, or pendants. I saw where it went and I'll get it later. Said every crafter ever, I think. But I always need more earrings for in my booth and a broader variety of earrings. So that is my favorite thing to use these for. And then also from a purely business perspective, it's a ruby and an 8mm. Earrings have a pretty decent profit margin typically because you're only using sometimes just a couple of beads, and, you know, the 2 ear hooks and, you know, whatnot. And so that way, you know, if I sell a pair of earrings for like $5, it still can sometimes have a pretty good profit margin. And so for the kits like this and I'm going to be transparent with y'all, Potomac does send us this kit for us to open and review, but I do purchase their, this is their treasure box edition. I do get their kit edition where it has like the instructions and everything, but to justify the expense of these beads, that's what I do with them, is I make them with earrings and stuff, and it's a lot of fun and I really enjoy it. Look at those, the 8mm and that vibrant cherry red is so nice. Oh my goodness, y'all, what's happening? I need more coffee. I'm having a mess. I think I found them all, but I'm pretty sure I did not find them all. Ooh, a pen. Oh, I love pens. Let's see how the ink works. I'm gonna draw. Oh, and it works immediately. That's so nice. So I'm just gonna draw a little heart here. Love it. This will be what we write the notes on our orders with this month, because why not? Oh, and then these little guys, I love the delicate little, like a 2x3mm faceted like this. I love using these in with wire wrapping. And then we have these ones here. Now that's such an interesting color. Kind of metallic, like a red, black, and white, silvery. That's very cool. And then these guys here. Again, I love more little petite beads. That's a 2mm amethyst crystal bicone. And oh, I'm scared to take them out of the thing because I'm so bad at putting them back in today. Oh, that's beautiful. I love the little sparkle. Let's see if we can flump and flump. And nom, 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 nom. There we go. Nope. Oh, crap. I almost had them all. Okay. There we are, back in with that. And they also make perfect little accent beads. Now, what are these? Oh, lavender pearls, Potomac pearls in a 6mm. That'll be nice. But what a cool, like, purpley silver. I mean, it looks more silver in my lighting than it does purple, but I can see it. That's real pretty, though. And then, ooh, these must be the Storm Duos. Storm Duo beads. Oh, they have such a sassy swoosh to them. Oh, look at that color. So it does have 2 bead holes, but look at it it's like a half a mustache. Could we do a mustache? We could totally do a mustache. I don't know why we would, but we could. Oh boy. Wish me luck. Nope, nope, that one didn't make it. In today's episode of Vaughn's Motor Skill Challenges, there we go. Ah, nope. Oh, son of a duck. Here we, okay. Well, maybe if I go like that. Because, like, now I'm all nervous and my palms are sweaty. Mom spaghetti. Oh. Good morning, you guys. How's it going? What are these? The 2-hole tile beads. Oh. And I'm definitely going to be checking out the potomacbeads.com/ideas. Just to see what other folks are making with these. We do have links down in the video description if y'all want to go on this beading journey with me. Oh, it's because they keep sticking to me, I think. Ooh, what are these? Miyuki seed beads, silver lined flame red. I do love that kind of iridescent coating on the red. That's intense. Look at how pretty those are. Oh, Potomac crystal novelties. in setting white opal. Those are, I'm gonna make something for myself with these. These are pretty. You know, I say that, but I bet I'll make them and then put them up for sale. Because I'm already picturing these framed in like an intricate wire wrap. Like as earrings. Or as the center of a petite pendant. Or even possibly up on like the bail section of a very large pendant. So, or earrings for me. And then we got these two big boys. The flower design ovals. These are going to be earrings. Faux show. Look at those. Those are so cute. So earthy toned too with that kind of brick red. So there are a lot of different, well, not flavors, but I think y'all get me. There's a lot of different colors and styles of beads in this month's box. Little glass hearts. Oh, those are adorable. And they're kind of like puffy and cute. Oh my gosh, I love them. And so stay tuned because the next part of this video is going to be what we made with these beads in this kit. And what we'll be doing is in our Kick live streams on Tuesdays, I'll be making all sorts of different stuff with these beads. I love the little stars. Oh my gosh. Now I'm thinking, oh, we almost had it. My keyboard caught it. So I'm thinking I had followed a 4Girls tutorial and made this like ages ago, it seems. And so I think what I'd like to do is I'd like to use some of the beads that came in this kit to do like little dangly downs, because I think that would just be so cute. Oh, these are beautiful. I love the color and I love the pattern. These are probably my my favorite in this month's box. Which ones are y'all's favorite? Let me know down in the comments. Oh, that's so pretty. I love it. I just love it. I love the little flowers. And that color too. I've really been feeling blues lately. Like in my own glass bead, like Lamport glasswork and stuff, I've been making, there's these guys. I had made some of these with some of the beads that came in last month's treasure box from Potomac. So that was really fun to kind of wire wrap up. And stay tuned because we will be doing a tutorial. I saved these two for us to do a tutorial on this design and kind of the evolution of, you know, it started with this one and then we did it slightly more complex and then we did it slightly more complex again. So, and then we have the tulip beads, and these, y'all, I think are just gorgeous. I love that red and gold together. I love the shape of them. They're drilled through, so we could use a little ball head pin to make them look just beautiful and kind of dainty. I may use these ones, or the stars, or the hearts for hanging off of that necklace. I think I'm going to do these ones, just because why not? Good grief. Well, through the magic of editing, let's see what got made with this. Alrighty, y'all. So there are still so many beads that I haven't even had the chance to get around to working with from this month's Potomac bead box. But the designs that I am most tickled with are these earrings that we had made. Now I did supplement with my own key charm, hammered metal ring, and pressed check glass teardrop and ear hooks. But again, I think the strength of the treasure box from Potomac bead box is that it's a great supplement to your already established but growing bead collection. So I really enjoyed using the, what are these? The 2-hole tile beads as a way of just attaching the charm, and I used 24 gauge to attach it to the loop, along with some of those little faceted pale purple beads that came with it, and then I used 20 gauge to make this kind of like little yoke that I then used my own 20 gauge 1/8 inch stainless steel jump rings to attach. And I just wanted to let you guys know, for future videos, we will be doing the crafting and the unboxing in one of our Friday live streams. So if you guys are interested in that, be sure to check out our website, backtoearthcreations.com. And there's a calendar of events, and you can RSVP for free. It's just signing up for an alert email for that single event. And it'll be the first Friday after the 10th of each month. And if it's on the 10th, then it'll be on the 10th. But I really liked making this one with the little Miyuki size 8 seed beads and little stars. And then I did a little wire wrapped heart. And I had followed a 4Girls tutorial, 4Girls jewelry here on YouTube, to make the little band, like the bar that this is all attached to. And I absolutely love it, you guys. It's so much fun. And we did make some matching earrings to go along with it as well. I dropped the box. Ooh, and then these guys, the Stormy duo. Oh gosh, they're so tangled. I should have gotten this sorted first. I had so much fun crafting with those in some of our Kick live streams. And so we made these little stargazer lily style earrings. Whoops. And then I made a finger ring with the 2-hole bead that I really liked. I used 22 gauge wire for that. And then here we had made just some little, I don't know, I thought it was super cute. And then, oh, I liked this one as well. Check out that piece of crazy lace agate that came in this month's kit. Now, I did provide my own wire and the bead frame. And then we made these guys into earrings, and I really like how those come out. I love these ones. This dark blue of these flowers is just gorgeous, y'all. Like, I'm digging it. I'm just feeling these dark blues lately, though. So those were a lot of fun. Here's these ones. I had made duplicates of those because I had done some with a jump ring and some with just a wrapped loop. So very subtle differences, but the magic happens in the details. Ooh, and then I had used... Oh, yeah, that one with the 8mm red glass. I really liked that. And then, so I'm hoping to, share some ideas with y'all of different ways to utilize the beads from this month's box. And be sure to use all the hashtags down in the video description for, hashtag Potomac beads. And you can also do hashtag craft along with Vaughn. And that way we can see what you're working on as well. So, ooh, and then using the bail on these wire wrapped hearts, and just, ooh, and the Potomac pearls and the lavender color for this kind of little rosette ring. And then we had used another one of the tile beads. So these are just some of the things that we got made. I'm going to keep on crafting and keep an eye out on our social media on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and here on YouTube to see more of the different goodies that I'm having so much fun with, you guys. So I'll keep an eye out for what y'all made with your Potomac bead box. And until next time, you guys, thank you for hanging out and happy crafting. Mwah. Bye.